Hello, and welcome to St. Paul Lutheran Church in Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I'm the music director here. We're going to be making a blog every week called Making a Joyful Noise. Today we're going to present a special guest who's going to be playing a bell tree. A bell tree is an instrument that holds an octave to 2 octaves, or maybe sometimes even 3 octaves of bells, played by a soloist, by one person. This was made for our congregation by Rick Berry, who is a member of our congregation, and we thank him for that. Today, Sue Scholl is going to be presenting How Firm a Foundation. She's going to just give you a little tidbit so that you would tune in on Sunday morning. Here she is now. Thank you, Susie. That was absolutely wonderful. Sunday's music is all based on our hearts being of good soil to land on, and How Firm a Foundation, which you just heard, is the perfect opening hymn. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on Sunday morning, 9:30 on Facebook. Remember, make a joyful noise.